When a vehicle experiences a problem, most technicians go straight to reading codes, checking freeze frame or live data. But what if you could dig deeper and see the actual tests the vehicle's computer runs before a code is even set? That's the power of Mode 6. It gives you real onboard self-test data from the engine control module, helping you spot issues earlier, verify repairs faster, and work with total confidence. So what exactly is Mode 6? It's one of the OBD2 service modes that gives you access to the vehicle's real onboard test results. It reports key systems like misfire, oxygen sensors, the catalytic converter, EGR or VVT, and the EVAP system. Each test includes an ID, measured value, limits, and a pass or fail result, recorded directly by the ECM. With Mode 6, you can see how each system performs before a fault code even appears, giving you deeper insight and faster diagnostics. Now let's see why Mode 6 may look different on some vehicles. Modern OBD2 diagnostics are built on several SAE standards. J1979 is where it all began, the classic OBD system that introduced modes like Mode 1, Mode 3, Mode 6, and Mode 9. Running on legacy protocols such as J1850, ISO 9141, KWP 2000, and CAN. J1979-2 modernizes OBD2 by running it on UDS over CAN. The names may have changed from modes to UDS services, but the function and purpose are still the same. J1979-3 takes OBD on UDS even further, extending support to zero-emission vehicles, including BEVs and FCEVs. So if your scan tool shows different TID or CID names, don't worry. It's the same diagnostic information, just presented in a newer format. This mode gives technicians a deeper look into how each system is performing, even before the check engine light comes on. It offers 3 key advantages. Predictive diagnostics. See exactly how close a component is to passing or failing its test. Early detection. Catch signs of wear or malfunction before they trigger a fault code. Rapid repair verification. Instantly confirm if your repair fixed the issue, without waiting for multiple drive cycles. In short, Mode 6 transforms raw test data into actionable insight, helping you spot issues sooner, verify repairs faster, and keep vehicles running smoothly and reliably. Mode 6 doesn't just tell you if a system passed or failed, it shows you the actual test values behind those results. This lets you see how close a component is to failing and catch issues before a fault code even appears. For example, intermittent misfires. See misfire counts for each cylinder. Spot a weak plug or coil early. Deteriorated O2 sensor. Detect slow-responding sensors before they trigger a code. Catalytic converter efficiency. Monitor how well the converter stores oxygen and spot aging performance. EVAP system checks. View pressure decay or flow readings to find borderline leaks or slow leaks. Verification of repairs. After replacing a part, recheck its Mode 6 data to confirm it's performing within spec. And don't forget to complete the required drive cycle readiness checks. Now, with the 7111 Diagnostic tablet powered by Repair Solutions Pro, I'll show you how to access Mode 6. Step 1. From the main screen, select OBD2 Diagnostics. Step 2. Choose OBD testing modes. Step 3. Select OBD Monitor Test, Mode 6. Step 4. Pick the component or system to see its test results. For example, the Catalyst monitor checks oxygen storage efficiency, while the EVAP monitor shows vacuum or pressure readings for leak detection. Each entry lists the TID/CID, test value, limits, and pass, fail, which gives the status of the test. With Mode 6 in the 7111, see the details of the engine's performance state of health. Catch issues early, verify repairs, and work smarter. Upgrade your diagnostics. Get the 7111 today. Check out more of our monthly tech tips at pro.repairsolutions.com.